Hello students and welcome to the online class of Python once again. So now we are in the phase that we have finished almost all the topics of Python. So today now on the request of many students I want to show that what are the basics of Python, what things you should keep in mind for writing the programs in Python. So you can see that there are two modes in Python. First is interactive mode and second is script mode. So if you want to want the prompt answer from the Python screen or Python shell, you can do the coding in interactive mode. For example, for solving any kind of expression, like I have written 2 plus 3, so it gives you the answer as 5. This is called as a prompt where you need to write the code, but there should not be any space whenever you're writing any particular number. For example, if I write here print and then I am writing print Python. Print is a statement, output statement which gives the output. So you can see that it has given me the output as print Python. So if you write here a is equal to 5 and then if I write here print a, then it gives me the answer 5. So this is how the interactive mode works, but most of the time we have to write the programs in script mode because we have to write a long coding there. So we use the script mode of Python. For script mode, you have to open the Python shell only and go to the file menu and click on new window. So here your script mode will be open. Now here you can write the whole program at once and compile it and then run it. So today I'm going to show you a very simple program wherein I will ask the user to input two numbers and I will do the following arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division and modulus. So let us begin with it. Now first line I am going to write in comment that arithmetic operations. Alright, so now we need two numbers from the user. So let us take the variable as num1 and num2. So in num1 I'll ask the user to enter the number. So I want the number in integer or float. Whatever data type you want you can define. If you will define integer, then it will give you only the integer part as the output. No fractional part will be included. So let us write float only so that we can get the exact answer. So I've written the data type. Now I'm using the input function and then I'll write here enter first number. You can write any statement whatever you like. Alright, here we have to write raw input because we want to as Python takes the input as a string. So this is a raw input function which takes the input as a string, and now as I have defined float, so it will be converted to the floating point number. But if you are using Python 3.7 or any of the version of Python 3, then you don't have to use this. You just use the input method and the number will be inputted. Now I'll take another variable that is num2 and let us copy the statement and I'll change the details here. I'll write here second number. So two numbers are inputted now in num1 and num2. Now to perform the basic arithmetic operation, I'm taking a variable sum to sum both the numbers. So for adding both the numbers, we have the plus arithmetic operator, and I have added both the variables wherein I'm going to take the input from the user. So this num1 is going to take the input from the user and the second input will be stored in num2. So now the answer of num1 and num2, when we add both, it is stored in sum. Now I'm taking another variable that is for subtraction. I'm writing here num1 minus num2, and then for division I'm writing num1 divided by num2. Same way you can do floor division also. For mod I am writing here num1 mod sign and then num2. For floor division, let us write FLR floor division and then num1 floor division operator num2. Alright, so addition, subtraction, division, floor division and mod, multiplication is left. Let us do that also. So multiplication num1 into num2. So now it's time to print the statement because this is the input statement where the input will be stored. These are the calculation part. Now we will write here the statement for printing. So print Now let us write here basic arithmetic operations. I have written this will be printed as it is because I have written in double quote. Now I'll write here print okay, sum equals to, this will be printed as it is and the value of the sum will be taken from the variable sum. Alright, why this sum is highlighted? Because this is a reserve keyword. Let me take the variable su for sum, otherwise it is going to give me the error. Alright, so I will copy this line for printing and I will change the things here. For subtraction I am writing here subtraction and the variable is sub, so that will be concatenated with the output. For division I am writing suppose division only, and from where the output will be taken, from the div variable, because in div only I am dividing the two values. And then for the suppose modulus operator I am going to take the value from the mod, and then for floor division I will take the output from the FLRDIV. So this is the variable name. And for multiplication again multiply, let's write multiply, and the variable is MULT. So this is how my simple calculator or some basic arithmetic operation program is done. Now I am going to execute the program. So you will save the program. You can go and save the program from file menu as well, save it and then go and run it with the help of F5 function key or from the run menu. Or if you have not saved, even if you directly click on run module, it will ask you to save the program, so you have to save it. I have saved, and now you can see that on the screen we are getting the statement that enter the first number. Let me write here 500. Enter the second number. I am writing here 5. So you can see here basic arithmetic operations, it is printed as it is. Now I'll show you both the screens together. You can see here that basic arithmetic operations is printed. Now sum, it has been added. I'm getting the answer in float because I've used the float data type here. So 505 is the output, 0.0 is given because the answer is in float. Then after subtracting I am getting the answer division modulus. Why in mod I am getting 0? Because mod only stores the remainder. So when you divide 500 by 5, the remainder will be 0. Floor division, it gives the output as the integer division, and multiplication, it has been multiplied. So this is how a simple program can be written. Just the basic things you need to note down, that is you have to write the programs from the left side. Alright, this is a simple program, so there is no indentation which you have to follow. But even in further revision tour, we will be discussing about the looping function and the if else statement, wherein we have to follow the indent level also, the space also, that where we need to give the space or where we don't have to give the space. So we'll discuss it further. Now for a simple program in Python, you can see that you have to write it from the left side. No space should be given. If you are going to give the space, the program is going to give you the error. Alright. So indent error you are going to get. So this is how simple program can be written. So practice this at home, students. And if you have any problem, then get back to me. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you so much.